Hello and welcome to the next section of the tutorial on Canva. So in this tutorial we'll be trying to create a template from scratch out of a pro template. So for this project I have chosen to create a sale related template. So to do so, to find an inspiration, what you can do is you can just you can go to templates and click on Instagram stories, and here you can add sale keyword. Once you do that, you will be able to see all the sale related templates now. So here all the templates which are pro and free versions are available. So what if you like some pro template and you want to recreate it? So I have already chosen one template which will be recreating today. So this is the screenshot that I have taken, and I'll try to recreate it. So first thing we want is this beautiful pinkish color. So you don't know how to select that color, right? So I just go to add page and I can click here and see these are the default colors which are already present in the photo. So Canva is very intelligent, it will just do it on itself. So I'll just create this color. Okay, I was able to do that. Before moving forward and creating all the stuff that is already existing over here, I'd like to take the opportunity to explain all this side toolbar related stuff to you. So these are the templates, so you can already select other templates if you want to from here. You can search for templates and find free ones or whatever that you require for. These are the elements. So once you have selected a template or page for yourself and you want to add some elements to it, you can do so from here. So there already exists an option for recently used ones, so I have used them recently, so they appear over here. These are lines and shapes and graphics and different stuffs like photos, videos, audios, all of them. So one thing before selecting any stuff is obviously you should look for whether it is a free version or a paid version. So these are the free versions of lines and shapes. So moving forward, if you don't like the already existing ones, then you can also choose to upload them. So I have already created a lot of them and uploaded. These are like my copyrighted ones which I can use for myself, others might not be able to use it. So you can create your own stuff or you can have your own clicks and you can upload them over here. Next comes the photos. So there are a lot of free photos already available which you can use for your purpose. You can also search for millions of photos, and all of them are license free if they are free. If they are free, then you are free to use them for commercial purposes also. Canva allows you to use all its images, all its text, and whatever content it offers, which is for free, to be licensed and used freely. So there are no licensing issues with that. So moving to texts, we have already seen texts earlier, so we can change fonts and that stuff. There we already saw the texts, but what this text is different is that there are a lot of effects already available on them, so you can just directly apply them, which was not in the fonts. See, these are the fonts, but texts have fonts, effects, animations already attached to themselves. So they are just ready-made things that you can use wherever you wish. So say that forward we have embeds and Google Maps and other stuff. So these are kind of advanced features which we might not need right now. If need arises, we'll learn it later. But right now I don't want to confuse you with lot of stuff. So moving back to our template now.